Well, they fit inside that early cage, inside chicken.
No, my chicken breast is for coffee table. That's what she did when we got the
It does look pretty cool. It has like a damn the original one was gonna have some right stuff. With a piece of glass cut on it, or like the middle cut out. You could like kind of someone eat. But it just has a brownie.
It's got chicken wire all the way around it and all that.
There you go.
Oh!
Thank you.
You ever had this? Chicken.
I don't know if you could eat all this by yourself, you know.
No.
Time.
This is that's a two-person meal.
Yeah. Like cheese.
Yes, it is. Delicious.
Best in town.
After traveling to Mexico several times a year, tasting authentic Mexican food, I was so surprised to find this golden nugget right here, Queso Blanco. It's an excellent place to dine, friendly atmosphere, family atmosphere, and I really like the food. It's all fresh. They have the best fajita Oaxaca. It's a very good mix. Proportions are extremely large. Very good food, priced right, and I'm really happy to find this restaurant and get a taste of Mexico right here at Queso Blanco. And it's a non-smoking and non-alcohol restaurant, and I like that because I can bring my whole family here and we can just have a family meal.